Want to remove any lock like finger or pattern or even Face ID lock from Messenger on Android? If you're tired of giving your fingerprint or passcode every time you open your Messenger app, removing the app lock on your Messenger will free you from that trouble. So let's get started. Method 1. Disable Messenger lock through the Messenger app. First, open the Messenger app. Tap the three dots on the corner. Click on the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now open App Lock. Toggle off this option. This will disable the built-in app lock of your Messenger app. Method 2. Disable Messenger lock using third-party apps. If you used a third-party app to lock Messenger, like AppLock or Norton App Lock, follow these steps. Open the AppLock app you used to lock Messenger. Give your password or pattern. Now look for Messenger among the locked apps. After you find it, simply tap on to disable the lock. In some apps, you will need to toggle off the lock, or you can delete the entire app from your device. Doing this will get rid of the app lock of your Messenger app for good. But if you're still seeing the lock turned on, then you can try the last method to remove it permanently. Method 3. Clear app data. Go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down again and find Messenger. Click on it and look for Storage. Now click on Clear Data. This will reset all your Messenger data, but will fix any glitches. Now log back into your Messenger. And as you can see, the app lock is gone. So these are the methods you can use to remove your app lock on the Messenger app on Android devices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to show the love by giving it a like. Want more app-related tips like this? Then subscribe to the channel because we have plenty more of those coming your way. Let's catch up in the next video.